Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to fix your Ford F150 radio. First, let's start with some quick and easy checks. Begin by confirming your truck's battery is in good health, as a weak battery can cause electrical issues. Next, locate and inspect the radio fuse, often found in the passenger side kick panel or under the hood. A blown fuse is a common culprit. Finally, visually check all wiring connections behind the radio for any looseness or corrosion. Now, let's dive into some common problems and their straightforward solutions. If your radio is frozen or unresponsive, try a soft reset by holding the power and seek-right buttons for about 10 to 15 seconds. This often resolves software glitches. Also, carefully inspect the wiring behind your radio and leading to the speakers for any damage or loose connections. Sometimes, simply updating your sync system software can resolve various radio issues. If the basic fixes haven't worked, it's time for deeper diagnostics. You might need to perform a master reset of your sync system, which can be more comprehensive than a soft reset. For persistent issues like a dim display or intermittent function, the radio's internal mainboard might have inadequate solder flow, requiring careful resoldering. Additionally, use a multimeter to check for any voltage drops in the constant 12-volt and accessory power wires, indicating a potential electrical problem. Sometimes, the issue might be beyond a simple DIY fix. If you suspect complex wiring problems, a faulty amplifier, or internal radio unit failure, it's best to consult a professional technician. To prevent future issues, always ensure any aftermarket radio installations are done correctly. Also, regularly monitor your truck's battery health and keep your sync software updated. These proactive steps can help maintain your Ford F150 radio's performance for years to come.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.